possibilities for shareholders. At its core, Heart and Soul is a successful story of poverty alleviation of this year. So there is still more room to maximize of our President Benigno Aquino III and Secretary Almendras.
We have the Mayor of the Municipality of Katipunan, Mayor Eusebio, and the Mayor of the Municipality of Panukalan, Mayor Rogel Pastor. Light comes to the Polillo Islands in Quezon Province, showcasing the communities that now benefit from access to energy from the Heart and Soul program. Barangay Chairman Jose Gloria.
And back the chair. And from Barangay
Basta meron pong isang sitio sa isang barangay na may kuryente, binibilang na po nilang electrified yung barangay. So ang iniwan po niya sa akin ay hindi bababa sa 30,000 sitio na kailangan mabigyan ng kuryente. Yung una pong 1,300 na ipinangako sa atin, nagkahalaga ng mga 1 milyon po kada sitio para maidikit o maikabit doon sa national grid.